Anil Vasantrao Deshmukh is an Indian politician from the Nationalist Congress Party, and has been member of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and 14th Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, representing Katol, Vidhan Sabha constituency. At present, he serves as Cabinet Minister for Home Affairs in the Maharashtra state government led by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. He also served as the Minister of Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs and Minister of Public Works Department in Government of Maharashtra. He earlier also served as Minister of State for School Education, Information, and Public Relations and Sports and Youth Affairs and Minister of State for Education and Culture in Government of Maharashtra. Deshmukh hails from the village of Vidhan near Katol in Nagpur district. He attended Katol High School. Later, he attended the College of Agriculture, Nagpur, and obtained a Master of Science degree in Agriculture awarded by Dr. Anil Deshmukh Krishi Vidya Pithakola. Deshmukh served as chairman of Nagpur Zilla Parishad during initial years of his political career. He first got elected to Maharashtra State Assembly in 1995 from Katol as an independent candidate. He represented that constituency until 2014. He served as Minister of State in the BJP Shiv Sena coalition government in 1995. His portfolios in that government included education and culture. He later joined the Nationalist Congress Party. When the NCP/Congress alliance came to power in Maharashtra in 1999, he initially served as Minister of State for School Education, Information, and Public Relations, Sports and Youth Welfare. Later he was promoted as a cabinet minister in the state government. As a cabinet minister from 2001 to 2014, he was responsible for different government departments. These included Excise, Food and Drugs, Maharashtra State, 2001 to March 2004. Public Works, Public Undertakings, Maharashtra State, 2004 to 2008. Food, Civil Supplies, and Consumer Protection, Maharashtra State, 2009-2014. Deshmukh lost the Katol seat to his nephew, Ashish Deshmukh in 2014 Assembly elections. However, he regained the Katol seat as the NCP candidate in the 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections. Deshmukh was appointed Home Minister of Maharashtra when the Mahavikas alliance of NCP, Shiv Sena, and Congress under Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray came to power in November 2019. In addition to his portfolio, Deshmukh is also the Guardian Minister of Gondia district. References